Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to be learning the order of operations today. Now, I see that look, but don't feel like that because really it's a simple set of rules to determine which mathematical operation should be used first. So let's take a look at this. First, we need to know what operations are. I see that you all know that. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we're on our way. I have a nomenclature or a way for you to remember how to solve a problem, and this is through GEMS. We are first going to do grouping, then exponents, then we're going to multiply or divide, whichever comes first, left to right, and then subtraction or addition, whichever comes first, left to right. So let's take a look at a problem. Now, I see your face. We can do this. I'm going to do this first and model it for you, and then we will practice together. So don't worry. All right. So we have this problem, 5 times 8 divided by 5, multiplied by 2, subtract 1, add 3. So let's go back to this, GEMS. I know that with GEMS, I need to first do and solve my grouping. If there are any exponents, which there are no exponents, we would do that second, and then multiply or divide, whichever comes first, left to right, and then subtraction or addition, whichever comes first, left to right. All right, see, we can do this, right? I see that face. All right, let's take a look at this. I see that we have grouping right here. Let's go ahead and do our grouping first. We have 5 times 8. 5 times 8 equals 40. We've solved part of the problem already. All right, let's go on and we're going to practice, Sally. We're going to practice this in just a little bit together. But let's go ahead and do our next part of our problem. We're looking at GEMS. We said we don't have any exponents. So we're going to take a look at multiplication or division, whichever comes first, left to right. So here we're looking at our operations. The next operation that I'm going to solve, 40 divided by 5 equals to 8. I'm going to rewrite the problem. That's very important. 8 times 2 minus 1 plus 3. All right. See, we have it. I know you have a lot of questions. We're going to be answering these in just a little bit, but let's go ahead and go on. Let's take a look. We have GEMS. We are still looking because we still have an operation of multiplication. So let's solve that. We're still going from left to right. So we have 8 multiplied by 2 equals 16. I'm going to continue to rewrite the problem. Minus 1 plus 3. All right. All right. Yep. All right. Here we go. Remember, this is still an I do. I'm modeling, and then we are going to do a we do. I have the problem. 16 minus 1 plus 3. I'm looking at my GEMS. I am now down to addition or subtraction, whichever comes first, left to right. So we have 16 minus 1 is 15, plus 3 is 18. Excellent, class. You've been active listeners. Let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the whole problem. I love this. Your problem should look like a funnel. I'm going to write the entire problem. We have solved each step of this using GEMS, and we have our answer. Good job. All right. Now you need to, let's go ahead, go back to our workstations, and we are going to go ahead and practice this together before we get to independent practice. Great way to be active listeners.